Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. WTI US Iran story battles EIA, OPEC negatives below $43.00 http ntvforex.com news ID 7D7 of 51 1 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. WTI stays depressed while extending losses from $43.24. US intends to renew sanctions on Iran, warns China and Russia to stay out. OPEC conveyed demand fears, EIA marked downbeat inventory levels. WTI refreshes intraday low to $42.90 during the early Asian session on Thursday. The energy benchmark recently came under pressure as the global oil cartel showed worries concerning the demand, while weekly stockpiles also depleted lesser than expected. In doing so, the quote disrespects the headlines suggesting the U.S. intention to renew an arms embargo on Iran. No takers for geopolitics. Although the tension between Washington and Tehran was once considered as a major reason for oil prices run up, these are not the days that respect any such news. This becomes clear after the commodity prices ignored American intention to renew almost all sanctions on Iran. Not only U.S. President Donald Trump's clear threat to the Arab nation, but Secretary of State Mike Pompeo also warned Russia and China to not meddle as they did in the recent past. While the news should have increased the energy prices due to geopolitical tension concerning the major producer Iran, the anticipated tussle with Moscow and Beijing seems to have stopped the bulls. Earlier, the OPEC Joint Ministerial Monitoring Committee JMMC concluded that the pace of recovery appeared to be slower than anticipated. The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries NBSP and allies such as Russia, a group called OPEC, reviewed compliance with oil cuts meant to support oil prices amid the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. While the oil majors were not expected to offer any output decision, a downbeat tone weighed on the energy prices. Additionally, the Energy Information Administration EIA revealed in its weekly report that crude oil NBSP stocks NBSP change in the NBSP US NBSP was 1.6 NBSP million barrels, versus 2.7 M forecast and 4.5 M prior, in the week ending August 14. It should also be noted that the US dollar's bounce off 27 months and 0.30% loss of S&P 500 futures become an additional reason for the oil traders to remain cautious. Looking forward, an empty economic calendar in Asia keeps risk catalysts on the driver's seat and will highlight Tehran's reaction. Following that, the U.S. jobless claims and Philadelphia Fed manufacturing survey results may entertain the market players. Technical analysis: a 2-week-old rising wedge formation joins multiple failures to refresh the monthly top while keeping the bears hopeful. Though, a clear break below $42.40 becomes necessary to witness the black gold's notable downside. Additional important levels overview: today last price 42.89, today daily change 0.13, today daily change percent 0.30%, today daily open 42.76, NBSP trends daily SMA 2041.81, daily SMA 5040.5, daily SMA 10034.08, daily SMA 20042.83, NBSP levels: previous daily high 43.3, previous daily low 42.42, previous weekly high 43.13, previous weekly low 41.42, previous monthly high 42.52, previous monthly low 38.73, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 42.76, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 42.96, daily pivot point S1 42.36, daily pivot point S2 41.95. Daily pivot point S3 41.48, daily pivot point R1 43.23, daily pivot point R2 43.71, daily pivot point R3 44.11, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.